Understanding smart scales.
Smart scales are digital devices that use bioelectrical impedance to estimate body composition, including body fat, muscle mass, bone density, and water percentage. While convenient for home use, their accuracy depends on proper setup and consistent use. Knowing how they work helps you get the most reliable results and track your health progress over time.
Setting up your smart scale.
Place your smart scale on a hard, flat surface to prevent inaccurate readings. Download the recommended app, create your profile, and connect the scale via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Enter accurate personal information like age, height, and gender, as these factors influence measurement algorithms. Regularly update your profile if your circumstances change for the most reliable tracking.
Tips for accurate measurements.
To get accurate results, weigh yourself at the same time each day, preferably in the morning before eating or drinking. Stand barefoot on the scale, ensuring your feet touch the metal sensors. Avoid using the scale after intense exercise, showers, or large meals, as body hydration levels can affect readings. Consistent routines improve the reliability of your tracked data.
Interpreting your results.
Smart scales display numbers like body fat percentage or muscle mass through the app or device. Remember, these values are estimates and best used to observe trends over time, not as precise clinical measurements. Compare results week to week, focusing on gradual changes rather than daily fluctuations, which can be influenced by factors like hydration or recent meals.
Maximizing long-term tracking benefits.
Use your smart scale to motivate healthy habits and monitor progress toward your fitness goals. Share results with healthcare providers if needed. Remember, body composition is just one aspect of health. Combine the data from your scale with other healthy lifestyle practices for a holistic approach to well-being.